Hello everyone, another video today. Since we are so close to hitting 10 subscribers, I'm going to do another special where I show you how to do 3 more Crazed Cat tutorials. And I'm going to also do their mimics. Now, we're going to start out first with Crazed Axe. Now, you might not have these stages on right now, but as December goes through, I will show the rest, like Crazed Macho, or just, no, it was Crazed Cat, Crazed Tank, all that stuff. So, I am going to show you a simple loadout no gotcha loadout, actually. I'm going to do a no gotcha loadout. Now, if you're doing this, then you're going to want to have, you're going to want to at least have Crazed Wall. That's just something you need. And you're also going to want to have, no, because I can't use gotcha. Alright, so, you would probably want someone like King Dragon, because it's a long-range thing. Let's see. Who can we use? You know, I didn't prepare a loadout for this, so. Oh, yes, there's always Courier. I did use him in my last video, which I thank you guys for getting it so popular. But, yeah. So, wait a minute. No point for Rice Ball, because, well, yeah. And it's not necessary, but if you have Necrodancer, then you probably want to get the Bony Bone research combo. It's not needed, but it's optional. And these cats, you just want at least one research combo to make sure you naturally do stuff. And then you can bring someone like Awakened Bahamut if you have it, but Crazed Bahamut works too. So, you put that in your loadout. If you have Run, you can use her if you want, but I'm not going to use her. So, yeah, this is all you need for the level. Now, I will show you, like, what you can do in this level. So, Crazed Axe will spawn, but don't panic. Just summon a few meat shields. And send in the dragon. Alright, then you'll get some money from the Sir Seals spawning in and the BB bunnies and whatnot, making it so you can rapidly spawn more things. Just keep on summoning meat shields, and then you can summon a Bahamut. Though, Crazed Axe's fast attack rate makes it kind of difficult for a Bahamut to do anything. So, he's just there to chip in some damage. Alright. Almost there. You're going to hear a lot of tapping because my device does not have internal audio. So it makes it so it's a lot more difficult. And there we go. Crazed Axe is now dead, and you can chip away at the base, making it so you now have Crazed Axe. And judging by the fact of how long that took, we're probably not going to get to the max. So, for the next one, don't mind that. For the next level, you probably want to use a long-ranged attacker. If you have Mina, I would use her. It doesn't have to be its true form. You can just use Crimson or whatever form you have. Because Crazed Bird has a very long range. It can snipe a lot of things. So, yeah. Let's see. We only need one more thing for this level. Yeah, I think you're good. So, this is the loadout that you can use. So yeah. As again, you don't need Necrodancer, but is optional for the research combo. But yeah. So, you load the level, and Crazed Bird spawns. Now don't panic, it is slow, but it does have a long range. Like, watch this. Boom. Although it does take 2 hits to kill, still kind of scary sometimes. Okay, I didn't expect for me to get outranged. Or any of my units, actually. So I'm just gonna courier spam because everything's getting outranged. You can also do this. It works. So actually, you only need 2 units for this level. You only need Crazed Wall and Courier. And like its description, it has low health, just in like its crazed form like this. I'm pretty sure it only has about 1 million health, so Courier will chip it down until it is dead. And it only has 1 knockback, so you don't have to worry that much. Until the boar comes out, then you can start spamming meat shields, because the boar is kind of terrifying. But you probably have money for a Bahamut, so you can just send it out. So there we go. That is Flappy Cat done. So the entire premise is spamming meat shields with Courier until the boar comes out, and you just send out a Bahamut. Lastly, for this video, we got Crazed Titan. This one is more difficult because, we're just gonna get rid of these 2. Because Crazed Titan, has a wave ability. So, yeah, it's kind of not good. Alright. Let's see who we can use. I'm sorry if this video is a bit outstretched. It's just, yeah. I don't think you need much for this level. I mean, I don't have much, so can't really do much about that. Yeah, there are dark gories, so kind of a problem. Dang. I think it's like the same thing as last time where you're just going to have to chip down Crazed Titan. But that wave attack is very powerful. So you got to watch out for that wave attack. And it actually happens more often than you think. Like there. So this level is difficult. You know, I'm only doing this no gotcha, but it is possible with... Yeah, that's what's gonna screw you over is the wave attacks. Now, Crazed Titan does have a lot of health. And with a lot of health, that means that wave attack can happen a lot more than often. And I'm just getting bad RNG here, so that's why. Like, seriously, how many times can wave attack happen? Now, I'm probably going to lose this. Because my RNG sucks, and I keep on getting wave attacks. Don't get a wave attack. Oops, I accidentally sent out Necro Dancer, but he's gonna get killed. It doesn't do anything anyway in this level. So it's basically the same old process of just chipping it away with Courier. Except I can't really do much because my RNG sucks. Like, seriously, how many times am I getting friggin' just... I'm probably gonna lose level, however, because my RNG is not that good. Yeah, but there is a lot of tapping because I don't have internal audio. God dang it. Always happens. I can't even remember how many knockbacks Crazed Titan has. It will work. It's just that Crazed Titan has a lot of health. Apparently a lot of knockbacks abilities as well, so can't really do much about that now, can we? I don't like that. Stop it. Stop doing that. That hurts. This is actually very nerve-wracking. And Crazed Titan is down. That was very much terrifying. And probably the longest fight out of everything. And you see how much damage Courier is doing? That took a long time. I mean, there was a Bahamut to do 100,000 damage like twice. But, yeah. That's it for today. I know it took a long time, but with enough units and whatnot, you will be able to beat it. And, this is only no gotcha. I used 4 units for most of this thing. But, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.